My name is Walid and I work with the Ming Master and we worked on a DBT project. We used our engineering skills from first year and the second year in order to design a small RC aircraft for our DBT project.
Our team consists of 6 members: Walid, Phone, Olaf, Christiana, Laura and me, Sibe.
The aim of our project is to get a maximum takeoff weight of around 3 kilograms, and the way we do this is by creating a 4-part wing of 2.8 meters in wingspan.
So in order for us to have a more optimum design for our aircraft, we decided to use the XFLR 5 for our wings.
We ended up choosing the airfoil NACA 4412 in the wing design with a taper ratio of 2.
The CDC tonight says Europe is the new epicenter of the epidemic.
Unfortunately, I couldn't finish the project because I decided to follow my dream and be a pilot.
We're about to manufacture the parts to build the wing. Unfortunately, Corona kicks in, which is very annoying. So we just have to build the parts by drawing the design on the Autodesk Fusion.
The connection method we used to connect the different parts like the nose, the stabilizer and the wing parts are quite conventional. It is easily compared with puzzle pieces that fit together and can only be separated in one direction. When the parts are connected, we secure them with tape.
Let's see if it flies.
Flight simulation went pretty well. It will be better if we can add more pillow strips.
The plane was capable to take off easily in our first attempt.
The aircraft managed to take off almost 3.5 kilograms, which was way more than we expected in the first place. So yeah, it was a great...
Even though we didn't win, our flight was a success because we were able to carry more than what our group expected.
The fuselage, I think we could win some structural integrity and we could lose some weight.
It would definitely be the vertical stabilizer because it was way too long than the proportion of the plane.
Our team is pretty motivated to work in our future projects and we think we can even do better for our future.
We came, we did it, we learned,